Going to make a no-brainer Black Friday tool purchase. Generally, I make it a point not to go out on Black Friday. But seeing that it's 2020 and we got a lot going in favor of small crowds, and I really want to get my door hinges rebuilt, we're gonna go find out what Harbor Freight looks like. So I can't imagine it's too bad, but I'm gonna grab a few things there, and then hopefully we can get the door hinges rebuilt. Well, that's a good sign right there. Black Friday 2020 and Walmart is basically dead. Harbor Freight isn't bad at all. This is gonna be in, out, easy peasy, lizard squeezy.
You need a 1 or 2 year replacement.
I don't need anything. Not gonna lie, I'm almost disappointed over that. Not a single angry person screaming, no one throwing elbows. It was like Whoville in there. Never bought a bench vise. I can never figure out why they're so expensive, but when you pick one up, you realize immediately where the cost is. Okay, so my no-brainer Black Friday purchase was this 4.5-inch angle grinder. It was $10. And even if the thing lasts a year for $10, it's gonna save me so much time. Right now, when I'm doing small fab work, I have to switch between my cutoff wheel and my sander. Now I have one angle grinder for my sander, one angle grinder for my cutoff wheel. That's gonna be amazing. The other thing I bought was this bench vise. I'm gonna need this to rebuild my door hinges. I just got that stuff in the mail. I'm gonna do this weekend, but that's the next step. This door, I've just decided to be safe. I'm rebuilding this door. Get this exactly where I need it sitting, and then I'm gonna address whether or not I need to move this B-pillar forward, which right now it seems to be sitting back. So once we get that's the next step. Rebuild the door hinges, get this door sitting right, then we'll make decisions here. Then we can move forward with welding in and doing all the final stuff for this quarter panel. So that is everything I have for this quick update. I hope you all had a wonderful, happy Thanksgiving, and we'll have an episode up this week, working on probably the door hinges or the door or whatever. I don't know, we'll figure it out. So until the next episode, guys, stay driven. Nala wants to go in for some leftover turkey. What is it? Do you want to go in for leftover turkey? Huh?
Oh, yes, show everybody how cute you are. Yes, you're so pretty.